Okay, can y'all see? We're gonna try this again. Yesterday I tried to do a video coming out here and the camera died. We're on this job. We're about to finish up. This is the job. I think I showed a couple. I might have showed a video of pulling out. I don't remember. But this here, we're coming out. Me and Raji's are coming out, and there's Stevie coming in with his rig. It's soft. I'm in first gear with Blackie, and I think Raji's a pushing me. And basically, first gear in a truck's all the skidder's got. You know. That can keep up with and still push, but it's pulling hard on both of us. It's pulling it. Without Raji, it'd be powering down. I mean, when you're powering down in first gear, you're in some soft ground. Here we are buzzing high speed. But it just, every once in a while, this time of year, we get into this. It's soft underneath, dust on top, and just rear end busting situations. If we had 40,000 pound rear ends in these trucks, we'd be a popping them. But these 46s, we've been working 46s and everything, and that's helping a bunch. And I actually spin out a little bit when we get to this where the Schaefer's have been spreading cow manure. Listen to this truck spin out when I get to cow manure. Alright, now I'll probably get off here in a second. This is kind of a nerd video. This is one of these videos. I ain't done a Blackie ride-along video in a long time. Now, those of you that don't know, Blackie's got a 13-speed in it. And these top roads, this is a fun road. I'm getting ready to get on a skinny, crooked road. And these are fun roads to drive on. All truck drivers love these style roads. But unless you got black tires. But, if you listen, now I did some work on this audio to try to make the noise level livable. So it's muffled a bit, but just do the best. Try to make the best you can with your ears there. But you can hear, you can tell how splitting these gears is really helping Blackie pick up speed through a lot of these situations. And a lot of our trucks has got 13s or 18s in them now, which is, in our area, an 18 speed's kind of a luxury. Well, I got 13. I was going to get an 18, but I got 13 because they didn't have an 18 at the salvage yard. We actually got a salvage yard transmission in this thing and have had for a few years now, and it does fantastic. I think we gave $2,000 or $2,500 for the daggone thing, and it just runs great. Derek put his soft push clutch in there, and it's just a fantastic. This truck is a blast to drive. I usually leave the Jake brake on it to help shift and stuff like that, and then be ready to. But somebody's calling mommy from Millbank SD. Super Dave. I don't know what they want. I ain't answering mommy's phone. That's where I draw the line. But all right, is that enough, Mister? Who the heck is calling her from South Dakota? But anyways, so I broke my chain of thought. But I'll shut up and let y'all listen to my bird. We got the next video coming up is moving the skidder. And I put the camera on facing backwards on that skinny road with a 12-foot wide skidder. Please, if you mediocrely, even if you don't like this video, give that one a chance, because I got stuck watching it. That skidder video, it's cool watching that skidder go through these tight roads. And it's coming up tomorrow night. But thanks everybody, and leave me likes, comments, all that good mess, and let me know what's up. I'm not the bestest at getting back with my comments. I try. The first night I try, and then after that it's kind of hit or miss. But I'll do my best. Things are a little crazy around here at the man cave and all that stuff, but I'll get back to it and everything. But give me a chance. I'll come back around. Thanks everybody. Have a good one. Love y'all. wide when you get around your turns.